Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. The iSpring suite is an e-learning authoring tool that lets you create interactive online courses within PowerPoint. You can create quizzes, simulations, video tutorials that are all compatible with SCORM and the major LMS platforms. This video is one of a series of videos that I've done on different demonstrations of features within the iSpring suite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI tool to produce audio narration with text to voice. And this is something you'll be able to add to your slides and courses. Check out the playlist linked below for the rest of my videos demonstrating other features, or follow the free trial link to the iSpring page for a free trial of iSpring Suite. So here on the screen, we've got our PowerPoint. We can see iSpring here is set up and installed. And what I want to do is I want to take some text that I have, introducing this outline, and turn it into audio narration. In order to do this, I click on Manage Narration here on the left, and that will open up this narration editor. So within this, we could record our own audio and or video, but we can also click this drop down on audio and we can choose text to speech. This is going to give me this window where I can choose my language. Within English, there are different versions, so I might decide that I want the Australian version of English. For each different language, we've got a series of voices. If we want to know what the voice sounds like, then we can just click on the little demo button here.
Hi, my name is Alan. I can easily convert your text to speech.
And we'll notice that some of these say natural and some say standard. The difference between these is the level of AI processing. So the standard voice is a little bit more robotic, a little bit less expressive, but potentially that can make it a little bit clearer because it's not going to have any of those verbal tics and things that actually a natural voice would normally have. The natural voice is trying more to mimic human speech. If we don't like Alan, then we can try another one.
Hi, my name is Amelia. I can easily convert your text to speech.
With these demos, I haven't actually found too much difference between the natural and the standard, but I think that's very much a case of finding the one you like the sound of. So we then put our text here into the text box, and I can preview what my text sounds like by hitting play.
Module 1 introduces the flipped classroom model, covering its philosophy, benefits, and how it contrasts with traditional teaching methods.
And if I'm happy, then I can click on Insert. In the narration editor, I can choose where I want this to appear. And we can see down the bottom, we've also got the timeline as well. So we're just going to put it at the beginning of the slide. If we have a script which is running across multiple slides or animations within a slide, then we can use this part of the panel here. So here where we see push, that is where we are jumping from one slide to the next. So currently we would be jumping over slides and this narration would be continuing. But if I want all of this narration to stay on this first slide, then I can just grab this and I can zoom those along so the push isn't going to happen until I get to the end of the text. Once I'm happy with the timing of my narration, I can hit save and close, and that will take us back to our main PowerPoint. I can continue to work on my slides. If I want to see what my final product is looking like, then I can hit preview. And when I'm done, I can hit publish. I can save as a variety of different formats and to a variety of different places, which we'll look at in the how to use iSuite to make a course video. Please check out the remainder of the playlist videos, and if you want a free trial, there is the link below.